Welcome back. Today, we dive deep into the backbone of QuickBooks Online, its lists. QuickBooks operates as a dynamic database, skillfully merging data from various lists to create comprehensive records and transactions. Understanding this interplay is crucial for effective financial management. In this session, we're focusing on the significance of these lists and how to manage them, from setting them up and customizing entries to merging or deleting unnecessary data. This isn't just about handling lists, it's about mastering them to streamline your business operations. First, let's demystify some jargon. While Intuit may not officially label them as such, those of us who use QuickBooks frequently talk about major and other lists. Major lists encompass three categories: who, what, and how, which I'll explain starting with the how. The how refers primarily to the chart of accounts, a critical list detailing every financial account in your system. It's essential for anyone with a basic understanding of bookkeeping, and we'll explore this more in an upcoming lesson. Moving on to the who, this includes your customers and vendors. Your customer list includes everyone you've sold to, essential for tracking sales and managing client relationships. Similarly, the vendor list comprises all your suppliers, crucial for managing purchases and expenses. Detailed lessons on these will follow soon. Now, for the what. This pertains to what you're selling, covered under your products and services list. Accessing this list is straightforward via the gear icon in the upper right corner, where you'll find a submenu dedicated to lists. To view all lists, you simply select All Lists. Here, you access various other lists that are essential, although not immediately visible, like the customer, vendor, and employee lists, which are accessed through different menus. Additional lists might include payment methods, terms you use with customers or vendors, and recurring transactions. Yes, there's a lesson coming on recurring transactions too. All these lists have common elements, no matter their specific function. For instance, when adding a new customer, you'll notice similar fields across all lists, though the amount of information required can vary. Important to note in every list is the display name field. This is crucial as it's unique and cannot be duplicated within QuickBooks. If two customers share the same name, they must be distinguished in some way in this field to avoid conflicts. Understanding and managing these lists effectively is key to leveraging QuickBooks Online fully. This setup not only helps in maintaining clean records, but also ensures that all parts of your business are accurately represented and integrated within the system. That's a wrap for our overview of lists in QuickBooks Online. Stay tuned for more in-depth discussions on each list as we progress through the course, ensuring you have the knowledge to manage your financial data proficiently. See you in the next lesson.